So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-add ng email address sa ating Roblox account. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba tayo maglagay ng email address sa ating Roblox account. So ayan guys, i-open muna natin ang ating Roblox application. Then mula dito sa homepage guys, i-tap nyo lang yung more na nandito sa may lower part sa right side. So tap lang natin yung more. Then dito sa more guys, i-scroll up lang natin and then i-tap natin dito yung settings. Then after yan guys, dito naman sa settings is ang itatap nyo dito is yung account info. So tap lang natin itong pinakang nasa unahan. Then dito sa account info, pumunta na agad kayo dito sa section ng account info. And then hanapin nyo na agad yung email address. And then after nyan, tap nyo yung add email address. Then dito guys, ilalagay nyo na yung inyong email address. So make sure na active yung email address na gagamitin ninyo para once na magbe-verify tayo, madali na lang natin siyang ma-access. So after nyo mailagay yung email address, itap nyo lang dito yung box para magkaroon ng check. Then after nyan, tap na natin dito yung add email. So ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, an email has been sent for verification. So check natin yung ating email address and magsasend daw sila doon ng verification. So ito yung email sa akin. And kung makikita nyo, may nakalagay dito na verify email. So tap lang natin dito yung verify email para ma-confirm yung ating email ad. And then guys, kung makikita nyo, your email has been verified. So na-verify na daw yung ating email address. So pwede na tayong bumalik dito sa ating Roblox account. And i-okay lang natin dito. Then refresh lang natin. And kung makikita nyo guys, yung email address ko is verified na. So ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-add ng email address sa ating Roblox account. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new update. And thank you for watching.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay.